Hello everybody, Mr. Hennon here for a slightly virtual lab. We're going to do something with what I call the Hoverpucks. And now if you've never seen one of these are these little things. They kind of look like soccer balls, but they have a fan inside, so when they're actually running, they can float on top of the surface you have. So I'm going to kind of show this one. I'm going to turn it on. You can hear that air blowing, and then when I actually look at it, basically, as I kind of bump it around, it just moves around like a little hovercraft is basically what it is. So that's what we're going to be using today for our little activity. We're going to do a collision between two hoverpucks. So I've got two hoverpucks here that are going to collide. Now, as a little side note, I'm going to actually find their mass first. So to start off with, I have a scale, and we're going to find their mass. So to do that, I'm going to set it on the scale. And the mass of this first one is 313.5 grams. I'm going to put that as a little note on top of it. The other one I'm going to put onto the scale. This one is 249.6 grams. So we actually have a more massive one and a less massive one. Those are the things that we're going to actually be using. So I'm going to put, with some tape, I'm going to actually put on here what those masses are, so we actually have those values. Then what I'm going to do is we're going to be using the tripod here, couldn't think of the word for a moment, and on the floor I have set up a giant T. And so I'm going to have the object here in the center of the T, and then I'm going to have the other object come in and collide, but we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to actually use Verniers Logger Pro to do video analysis. We're going to actually analyze the video. So this is just kind of the beginning. I just wanted to kind of introduce everything, and then I'm going to produce a video and analyze it in Logger Pro so we can see all that information. So we've now got it all set up. I'll show you in a little bit. You'll see the actual video in action. Hope you enjoy.